She got happy. Rooney.
She say it for me alone.
You know.
Me alone.
You know.
Ladies, we're back again, and Kyle is handling those breasts away. You should have seen the face right there. This is a grown people channel, okay? But Danny and Devani, if you watch this, please don't. We're just talking about the meat, girl. You know. Anyways, so Kyle is gonna do some remix to the sweet potato. This one is. He's gonna make them into balls, cover them in egg whites, put them in the flour, and then fry them in the frying pan, right?
Before we do any of that, we need to
Hold on, that's a good copyright me. Before we do any of that though, you know you too.
Before we do any of that, it's gonna be the protein I have to deal with.
Yeah, so we're gonna do the beef.
Doing that,
Where the beef? I'm gonna show them the beef. I wish you guys can smell it. The steak. It smells so good. If I could pack it up and sell it to you guys, I'd be a rich person. And like we said, in my hand, you can make tacos. I'm just saying.
Good,
What I tell you about this husband material. Husband price just went up. If you want Kyle, leave a message down below in the description box. Make sure you come with your money, because my man don't like no cheap woman. You gotta come correct for him.
Amen.
You gotta come correct. Make sure you want to spend that money on him. Okay? And he's cooking, and he's tall, and he drives. Girls, this man is not cheap.
You know, hey man, go and promote.
So lately, I've been, and please don't come in the comments and say, yes, Bicana. Yes, see you and your man, please. Every man that comes on my videos, someone does that for. Me and every man in my video can do. Alright? Pick one and settle with one. Alright. But yeah. So I'm sorry if the camera's shaky. I'm on my phone. I'm gonna turn the camera around so hopefully you can see me. My GoPro is dead, and the battery that I had in my bag I thought was fully charged. The extra one is not. But look at all this mango from Kyle's mango tree. I've already inserted footage. Well, if I haven't inserted footage, I'll insert footage now of the tree that I recorded. My Instagram saw it first, so make sure you guys go over to my Instagram and follow me over there. It will be at Bicana Brown. That's my Instagram handle. And if you guys want to help me out, go click some of the links that I have down below. Some of them are glasses links. So if you want to get some glasses, I can show you the glasses later tonight. If you want to see what they look like. Yes, they're good quality, and yes, they're for a great price. And I have a discount code for the glasses. I also have a discount code for hair from HAIRSPELLS. That will be linked in the description box as well. So if you guys want to help me out, please go check out some of those.
It's not cooking unless you get cut.
So wait, what? Oh yeah, just got cut.
Small.
What else? I think I'm gonna create an Amazon store where I can link some of my favorite items, like link my GoPro, the extra battery that I bought, the accessories that I bought for it, and just some other things that I think you guys might like, so I can make a commission off of those and you can get a discount on them. So hopefully that works out well. This time I'm truly gonna only come back when the food is almost done, or at least when Kyle get burned up in the kitchen. All right, guys. I can cut this right here.
Season from so I will season this morning and then come back and the meat properly infused with the seasoning.
You're supposed to do that from last night still, but you can't get that from
No.
last. Insert it. It's time. I keep saying I'm gonna come. This is just gonna be a whole cooking vlog. I think the house one is gonna have to be separate because at this point this is really long. So you guys are gonna have a cook with me with Kyle. You already know what we're making, or did I tell them? I told them a little bit, but yeah, I told them because the steak, the chicken, the potato circles. So you want me to crush up that potato?
I'm gonna do it first.
Ooh, guys. Oh, that wasn't that bad.
I think someone can cook.
Man can cook. That smells good. Let me get some pop for you guys. Ow! Alright, time for me to step back. Let Kyle do his thing. I wish you all could smell it.
We're going to use parsley and a little complete seasoning.
To do this. Guys, look what I'm doing now. I'm smashing them. I'm gonna need 2 hands though, so I don't know. Y'all gonna have to just sit this one out. Add the butter. Add the butter, crunk. You know, I think I'm quite funny actually. I'm full of drama, but I'm really funny. I'm not full of drama in the sense that I'm full of drama, but
Okay.
okay. What I tell you about the husband price? Highest bidder in the comments gets Kyle.
You know, on the stress.
Come on, Kyle. Flex the hand muscles. Oh yes. Oh.
That smell, man.
Alright, I'm having too much fun. I gotta go.
That's cool, fun.
Like dumpling.
Yeah. Hold on. Turn them out and I'm going to take some cheese.
It's gonna be delicious. I think I've seen something like this before in a Kyle. In a restaurant.
You may have seen it before, but not done with sweet pepper.
Sweet potato, like a regular potato, right?
Yeah. Alright, so ready to press it in?
Guys, can I do this? Can I do this? I'm a wife. I can friggin' do
Ready
this.
there for perfect. Alright. So preferably you do like one hand wet, one hand dry. Take it off. Boom. That's your job.
Alright guys, so that's my job. I'm gonna set this camera up somewhere so you guys can see me do my J-O-B. My J-A-B. Okay, y'all.
Alright. Last one is right. I can just.
Alright. Huh? Yeah, make it work another. First, just make sure you keep your hands clean. I need a little bit of moisture on my hands anyways, so it doesn't stick, right?
But you're gonna make a couple of the ball then first. Hold on. Hold on back.
Come on, put it right here, please.
Alright. So.
Well, one hand needs to be dry.
So you can do this. You can make them on, put them on here.
Yeah.
Put the cheese in and put them on there. Yeah.
But it's too big. Trying to get shorty thick.
Some turkey making of the week. So much cheese.
Yeah.
Kind of fold and press at the same time. Fold the four sides and then press and cover. Just push your finger in. Yeah.
This one is mine.
If you can and look fast, man. A little faster.
Okay. Damn. Yeah, this one is mine. Oh, should I open?
See that caramel?
Yeah. I want to show them.
Smells nice.
Kyle. So that's basically how you do it. And then you do that.
Yeah.
Get in the flour.
Yeah.
And then you put it there. But we're going to put it here and I'm going to show you what the Kyle is doing in the frying pan. So what you have in here, Kyle?
Onion, red onion, regular onion, sweet pepper, and country pepper.
And country pepper.
So you make that caramelize.
So what you have to do with
the onion.
This for the sauce?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
So go on there and drop this back in.
I'm going to put you guys back right here. And then you're going to watch me and Kyle. Or you're going to see more of me. You're going to see more of me than you see Kyle.
Give me some water. Alright.
Let me finish up this. Ooh!
Hear that?
You need to mimic all the good action. You want to pick up the camera and show the camera? Yeah, go pick up the camera and show them.
And then to drop in the sauce. Well.
Because they need to see, right?
Alright, give me the camera.
It's right there.
So this is what we're working with currently. I'll make that simmer for a little bit. Yeah, you guys. Hurry up. We need to make.
I am hurrying.
We need to make like they have a different layout of kitchen. This is not ideal for vlogging.
There's some people who have like starter kitchens. It's 22.
I did this with something there before, but first time with steak.
So that's the steak. And those are the sweet potato cheese balls.
Yeah, I gotta turn them fast.
Or they'll burn.
Yep.
So you want to lower the temperature then?
It is low.
Oh, okay.
It's just like the pot is hot, you know?
Yeah.
I mean,
Guys, I think a lot of my videos are becoming eating videos. I don't know where this is going. I don't know where it's going. But I promise I don't always eat like this, guys. You want some, please?
That's what she says until you realize she usually eats like this. Yeah, and one of these does not have
One of them
cheese.
doesn't have cheese because I was saying I'm too OCD for this, so Kyle takes it from me, and then already thinking that I put cheese in it, puts the yolk and the egg white and the flour on. So there's a magic one in there. Yeah, I'm gonna take
Bigger people. Alright, so you know how hot wing sauce is made, right?
now.
It's very simple, you know. The buffalo wild wing sauce. That's that. Come.
So guys, we are.
Yeah, hold on.
Ooh. Mmm. That's really good. Damn, all my hard work paying off. Shit. We're doing the chicken now. What are we doing to the chicken? What are we doing to the chicken?
Just use this one.
Where are they? Where are they?
It's just a little snack.
Oh, what did you want to go in here? In this plate?
So,
Guys, I'll be right back.
so you want this to be?
So Kyle is adding a drop of honey. I'll put it back. A drop of honey. Gonna make it sweet.
Alright, that's it.
That's it, guys.
Alright, so I don't even know how this tastes. Just take it.
Tried. It was good, but the honey taste is fleeting.
It's not supposed to stay.
It's really good, but
No, too much honey. More pepper. This can go.
I got a little mustache going on. Quarantine.
Nothing else?
Yes. Thank you. This is nice. Snack. You know what I want to try? The cheese balls.
Alright, so here's what we're going to do.
Try the cheese balls.
Get the vegetables out.
Alright guys, so that's it for the food. The steak, the mashed potato, the veggies, the chicken, and the sweet potato cheese balls. That's a mouthful. But yeah, and then just some drinks, some forks, and some plates. And Kyle.
Wash up, please.
And then we're gonna wash those. Reaction. Guys, I took a bite. Y'all know I'm craving already. Kyle is taking a bite. Well, Kyle is sharing out the mashed potato. But I am taking another bite. So you see that? I want to see Kyle's first bite.
Oh shit. The one without the cheese.
Disappointed, huh?
It's real good, Simmer.
Same way. Alright guys, we're gonna go enjoy this food. That's enough vlogging for today. Make sure you like, leave a comment down below, hit that subscribe button and have a great day. And I'm gonna eat some food.